Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to order on Temu with Cash App. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Temu app and add the products you want to your cart. Once done, tap the cart icon at the bottom of the screen. Review your items and make any necessary changes. Then, tap the yellow Checkout button. Scroll down to the Payment Methods section. You will see multiple options. Since you want to pay using Cash App, tap on Cash App Pay and then select Submit Order. The payment will begin processing and automatically redirect you to your Cash App account. To complete the transaction, you must have a linked credit or debit card in Cash App. If you have one, the payment will go through easily. If not, manually enter the purchase amount using your Cash App balance. Once entered, tap Pay. After payment, enter your shipping address if required and confirm the order. Your purchase will now be successfully placed using Cash App on Temu. So that's basically how you can order on Temu with Cash App. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.